So hunting season is in full swing here in Hawkinsville, Georgia. So do you have a place to hunt, or are you looking for hunting land for sale in Georgia? Well, if you want a trophy hunting property that you can call your own here in Middle Georgia, take a look at 391 Cannon Road. This 213-acre property is full of potential with 70 acres of planted pines, hardwoods, creek bottoms. You've got a whole diversity of all kinds of places where the deer and pig love to hang out and spend time on your land. With already having 15 tree stands already on the property that are staying here and a fully furnished 4,500 square foot house, you've got everything you need. So let's take a look. Now, of course, what trophy deer hunting property would be complete without your own luxury outdoor kitchen? Take a look at this place. So if you're ready to bring your friends together on your own trophy deer hunting property in Hawkinsville, Georgia, reach out to me. My information is in the description below, and we'll make this property your new hunting retreat.